Guys, Walter's Car Reviews. This is a 2015 Kia Cadenza. I'll show you what's the problem with it. Start with the car. Alright. Right signal. Left signal. The left signal is blinking way too fast. And I'm going to show you why in a sec. So I'm going to put the regular hazards. It blinks normal. But without it, it blinks faster. Now, here you can see the front flash is really fast. But then, in the back I see it's not blinking. So obviously that is a light bulb problem. But in this video I'm going to show you how to install it. And yes, that's how we're going to do it. The first thing you need to do is pull out this cubby from here and turn this thing clockwise to the left. And then once you get that out, I took out the old bulb out, and now we're going to put the new bulb in. I'm going to put the guys right here. Push it in like that and put it back in right here. I put it in right at the neck, really good spot. Make sure it goes all the way in. Just turn it clockwise. And now it should be back to normal. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on the car again. It's not blinking fast anymore because they are both fixed. Lighty new, just as new. So that's how you replace your blinker on a Kia Cadenza.